Ministry of Earth Science. Posted on the 9th of February 2022, 5:59 p.m. by PIB, Delhi. Government of India has already undertaken several initiatives focusing on the conservation of coastal and marine resources, especially wetlands, mangroves and coral reefs, and their management through implementation of law and continuous monitoring. Few examples are: the Wildlife Protection Act of India, 1972, provides legal protection to many marine animals. There are total of 31 major marine protected areas in India covering coastal areas that have been notified under Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. The National Committee on Mangroves, Wetlands and Coral Reefs, constituted in 1993, advised the government on relevant policies and programs regarding marine species. The Coastal Regulation Zone (CRZ) notification 1991 and later versions prohibit developmental activities and disposal of wastes in the fragile coastal ecosystems. The Biological Diversity Act of India, 2002 and the Biological Diversity Rules 2004, and the guidelines thereof advise the government on matters related to the protection and conservation of biodiversity, sustainable use and equitable sharing of its components, intellectual property rights, etc. The Department of Fisheries, Gov. of India is implementing a flagship scheme, namely the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, PMMSY, for sustainable and responsible development of fisheries sector in India. Two of the key objectives of the scheme are: A. Harnessing of fisheries potential in a sustainable, responsible, inclusive and equitable manner, and B. Robust fisheries management and regulatory framework. The Centre for Marine Living Resources and Ecology, CMLRE, an attached office of Ministry of Earth Sciences, MOES, is mandated with the management strategies development for marine living resources through ecosystem monitoring and modeling activities. Based on 24 years of survey studies, it has generated an extensive knowledge base on the biodiversity aspects within India's exclusive economic zone, including hotspots for conservation. Involvement of local communities is often seen as an integral part of preserving the marine resources. CMLRE is implementing a national R&D program on marine living resources (MLR) with an inbuilt component on societal services to support the fisher folks of Lakshadweep Islands. The Societal Services Initiative intends to enhance the ornamental and batfish stocks in the wild. Under the program, CMLRE has organized a series of hands-on trainings on marine ornamental fish breeding and rearing at Lakshadweep Islands. In addition, under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana (PMMSY) scheme of Department of Fisheries, there are provisions for encouraging sustainable marine fisheries activities, development of fisheries management plans, development of integrated modern coastal fishing villages, promotion of Sagar Mitra, installation of bio-toilets in fishing vessels, communication and tracking devices, livelihood support during fish ban period to fisher families, etc. For conservation of fisheries resources. During the period 2017-20, an allocation of 84 crore rupees was made by Ministry of Earth Sciences for the implementation of MLR program. This information was given by the Minister of State (IC) for MO Earth Sciences and MO Science and Technology, Dr. Hitendra Singh, in a written reply in Lok Sabha today.